Hello Mako Madness fans, this is Dan checking in from the Mako track and support storage lot, and continuing on with the bear theme of track being moved out here. There's nothing left over here. We do have another one. It's loaded up right there on the flatbed, so it looks like it's all going to be heading over very soon. And we're going to go inside and check out some new track work and supports that have been put up since yesterday, so let's go. Wow, so walking into the entry area for Shark Realm and the future entrance from Mako, this looks really awesome. Check how that turn is actually diving down towards the water. We're going to walk around and actually take a better look at it now. Alright, so we're over here by the Flamingo boat dock, and as we can see, crews have installed more track down to almost ground level. So the next couple of pieces are actually going to connect to that support footer right there. And we should have probably 2 or 3 more. They installed 2 pieces yesterday, and as we can see right over this, that's going to be a heck of a view once these walls are down. Whole project's looking really good by now. Again, another photogenic view for Mako. The whole area looks really good. And of course we have the entrance here and the dive right over the pathway. All looks really awesome. In the entry area for Mako, we can actually see a view of the station and how it's actually getting some work. The whole front building here, getting more of that texture as well. So starting to finish up there. We should see more theming going in. And then it's going to swoop back right to that support. Well, that looks impressive. And a better look at the texture that is on the outside of the building here. Again, this is all just preemptive. They're going to be doing a lot of theming with this. And it shouldn't be long before we join the rest of the track. To this point, we're going to be done from the Flamingo boat dock area, of course. Turning from over there and rising up to that support will be one of the last track pieces. I gotta say, this track looks really kind of wavy, flowy. I gotta say, everything is probably going to be ultra smooth on this. But it looks like B&M have done their job well, and I'm glad SeaWorld actually chose them. This whole project really starting to look amazing. What a beautiful afternoon here in Florida. So close. One thing I wanted to point out is with Mako and Kraken, they have a really good framing together, especially when taking photos, as we can see. Just the whole area. They're both kind of intertwined. A lot of areas where they actually interlock. It looks awesome. And our last view of Mako, of course, from across the pond. How can you not love this ride? I mean, seriously, I'm really waiting for May, and hopefully some testing should start in April. Who wants to slalom? This thing looks seriously twisted. Alright, so we're over here in Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin area, and some of you have wondered what's going on with this area. Well, they're just doing a refurb, trying to make it look better. They have some work walls up over here, but nothing major, of course. It extends around over here. Looks like they're setting up for a private event also. But yeah, no worries guys. These walls will be down soon. Well guys, that is going to do it for another Mako construction update, and by request we have a Kraken flyby. Of course, really great to see the new track and supports placed, and we're going to see some more probably in the next day or two. Crews have been working at night. But if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, our Facebook, and our YouTube page at Mako Madness, and I will see you out on the Midway.